Today we learn about factors. Here we taking 120. 120 ని మనం ఫస్ట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ కనుక్కుందాం. సో ఎల్సిఎం చేసుకుందాం 120. సో we are taking first two table 12. 2 6 are 12 plus 0 0. 2 3s are 6, so 30. Again 2 table 2 15s are 30. Again 2 table 15 lo eltunda no, so we are taking 3 table 3 5s are 15, so completed. So first factors is 120 factors. What comes 120 factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. These are factors and we turns into prime factors. We find the prime factors of 120 is equal to how many 2's is there? 1 2 3. So 3 2 power 3 into next 3 number. How many have? Only 1. So we write 1. Next 5, only 5. నా పైన ఏది లేదు అంటే ఏమున్నట్టు ఇస్ 1. 5 పవర్స్ 1. సో వీఆర్ గివింగ్ 1 and 1. So this is prime factors. This is factors and this is prime factors. Okay.